where you've been the past 4 years. That's where you learn to fight. You're one of them.
They remade me into what I am, and I swore them my allegiance. You don't know about me, about who I am and who I've become. I'm not a hero. I am the furthest thing from it. I am Tahir al-Safer. That was my new name. Because the woman that I was, the girl that I was gone. And what I am is irredeemable. There were things that I did. I slit his throat in his bed. Things that I had to do to survive. His kids, they found his body in the morning. Things that there's no forgiveness for. I spent 6 years in the darkness, and I looked into the eyes of the devil, and I gave him my soul. I'm a murderer. Tahir al-Safer. It means the canary.